Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in Midnight Sky. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, semi-active damping, heated and ventilated front seats, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, rear liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7116.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.